Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and getting straight to Settings. Click the gear icon in the web app or go to File, then Office, Account, and Desktop. Once there, look for Theme, Appearance, or Personalize. These controls change the visual scheme. You're doing this now to avoid extra steps later. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to change because themes can be account-specific. After you see the appearance options, prepare to pick the dark options in the next step. Now pick the dark theme and understand why. Themes change colors for headers, reading panes, and menus to reduce glare. Choose Dark or Outlook, Dark, from the theme list, then enable any toggle labeled Always Use Dark Mode or turn on Dark Mode for reading to affect message content. Once selected, apply or save and restart Outlook or refresh the browser to complete the transition. If some message areas remain light, those are controlled by separate reading pane settings, covered next. Finish by verifying that Inbox, Compose windows, and the reading pane are dark. Open a few messages and create a new email to confirm. If some emails still appear with a white background, enable the specific setting to use dark mode for message content or switch to a high-contrast dark theme. If changes don't persist, sign out and sign back in or update the Outlook app. Outdated versions can ignore theme flags. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.